Bitter, weed, liquor, sicker, Gambino on the corner. A father lead scratch Perry and the whole team on the scheme. You know what I mean? And right now we just are tuning in to 876 Music. And you know, everybody got to choose it. Don't refuse it or try abuse it. It's all about bitter, weed, liquor, sicker, Gambino, taking it to the world. Music, 876. Just check it out. You know the new thing right now. Tune in. And that's the thing that a shot right now. You know what I talk about? Bitterly bitter. Weed, liquor. And I told you, it's Gambino. Which is right.
Blaze.
Pay 20 records, Washington Yard, and the whole strip, you know what I mean? Well, this is the king. Selassie, Joe Rastafari, the most high, because you know we have to be the king. That's what we deal at all times, the king, you know what I mean? But without the king can't work. So we say Jack to the world, and big up Father Scratch. Yeah, anywhere there in the world, Father. And you make the thing start from where? Scratch. Bitter, weed, liquor, sicker, Gambino, taking it to them. And right now, as I say, 876 Music, we don't need to check it out because it's live. And right now, we not take no farm of bribe. We are giving them it fully drive. You know what I mean? I just give them a little small piece. I want your name stepping it up. I see right now this year, we want some money, so we're going to checking it up. This year, I'm stepping it up. Money, so we making it up. That's how man checking it up. Me tell you, stepping it up. Make crazy money and we checking it up. Girl garden dry, I'm wetting it up. New tune, me voice just making it up, setting it up. This year I'm stepping it up. Make crazy money and me checking it up. Girl garden dry, I'm wetting it up. New tune, me voice just making it up, setting it up. You see them hide that and on me. Now them lose them stripes so easily. See them girls all a pass and a come a me. Have them girl up in a the stretch navigator and my new Bentley. Step in the club, sip NC. Smoke high grade, got a ladder tree. And I me spend the dough, got a ladder G. Have the whole of the girls them from Jamaica go back overseas. Stepping it up, make crazy money and me checking it up. Y'all garden dry, I'm wetting it up. New tune, me voice just making it up, setting it up. This year I'm stepping it up. Make crazy money and me checking it up. Y'all garden dry, I'm wetting it up. New tune, me voice just making it up, setting it up. Liquor, sicker, yeah. Facebook, MySpace or Twitter, yeah, sicker. Gambino to the world. So right now, no one know Gambino, you're gonna have to check out the MySpace. Gambino, Y2K, yeah, at myspace.com or Gambino 2K999 myspace.com. I just link up Facebook and see how my face looks. Saying, just check it out. Yeah, internet it out. Bit up the thing and make the thing sick up. Italy, from Jamaica to where? Italy. I'm out. Gambino.
What I say, 876 Music, D-Shade, is it Gambino?
Yeah. Any network, any site, just go up on that. I just for the thing what? Yeah. Talk to them.
Yeah man, I don't know, say 876 Music. Yeah man, just subscribe to that. Get it.
Which show that? Send me a
D-Shade music, straight. Boom.
I never get no money about
876 Music, my dad.
876 Music, right pan stop on that. Yeah, quick and fast and sick on there. You see me? Bitter so, sick and so. Alright.
When the man say people, you know who come up on the stage when who go on to this song. When the Teflon come back again now there, when the Teflon come back. Alright, so can't move around there, can't move around there. Can't move around there, place is a turn down so the man have the whole place. My lad, Mr. The man come up and the man come up and can't people. The man of people never father sir and turn up the place again. It's not that justice, you know. Not justice. Are you not that justice? The man said the man come up and skate the man, come greet the man, sir. So why go on and heal up the man, shot the two man, them hug up. Now the man said keep it and set you up in there. After that, about this about keep it and set you up, I say no, sir, cargo is like a reduce time and time. A million times right.
Big up, you know.
Yeah, man, Carl, you have better performance. Carl, you have better performance. Alright, that's your opinion, brother. I'm not fighting your opinion, brother.
Alright, I'm going to tell you my experience. Put on a waterfront.
Yeah, now, this is something.
No. New Year's ball where fireworks. You know what them have down there, right? Octane and cargo. And cargo first run up there. So when cargo run up, I'm not lie, the place is shelled up. Wicked. The man have the place. But you hear me? I'm not lie. Yeah, in presentation. Watch me in presentation when I'm come out. Have the place are really ignorant. Hold on to the system in the dark. The man have shut the whole place in. Don't get me wrong, in cargo in the heel of the place. Wicked. Yeah. In the first round.
Yeah.
But in dead and start the be lyrics after lyrics after lyrics.
Yeah.
So the crowd get dragged out. Listen me now. So when acting, blood come up dog. I'm not lie that everybody don't come like the man.
It's a rider on a dancer. Well, I'm not a rider on a dancer. Well, I'm not a look premium. It's a rider now to carve everything there right now.
Yeah.
Everything the man touch a shell right now. Remember me tell you.
Right now.
Everything the man a shell right now.
Everything we Octane touch done to
My style acting.
everything we Octane touch whole.
Yo.